Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do another episode of Espresso Goodies. I just got this from Amazon this afternoon. Just wanted to open the package with you guys. And let's go ahead and get this started. Hey, if you like and enjoy this content, please don't forget to subscribe. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to drop me a line, a comment or something, so I'll know what's going on. Oh wow, this time they're using bubble wrap. Man, Amazon packages are so unpredictable. All right, what should we start with? Let's start with this. This is something interesting. I never saw this before. I heard about it, but I never saw it in person, so I just wanted to order it. It's called mushroom coffee. I don't think this can be done in an espresso machine or a coffee maker, but this puppy was quite expensive. It's kind of like an instant coffee. You just mix it, I think. So that's the first thing I ordered. It's from, again, Amazon, obviously, and should be very healthy. Just wanted to give it a shot and try it with my significant other. All right, next I got this beautiful, as you know, or recently, actually, not as you know, you don't know yet, but recently I bought another espresso machine and I have a review going on. As soon as I'm done, I'm gonna post it on my channel. It's the newest Gebi Easy Brew, EZBRU 1000, and it's a 58 millimeter portafilter machine with pre-infusion and PID. Very interesting. Very similar to dual temp Breville. So I'm gonna put that unboxing pretty soon. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. I got that machine for my mother's house, and some of this stuff is 58 millimeter and things like this I already own for that setup. This is a Normcore WDT tool. Comes with this cute little stand, as you see, and here are the needles. It has a 0.23 millimeter needles, super fine needles. It's WT version 2, version 2.1, and I don't know, I have a thing for this dark wood. I love it. So I like all my stuff in that color, so I'm doing that setup that way too in my mother's house. So this is the WDT tool for that 58 millimeter machine. This thing costs $32, the whole thing, for those of you wondering. Since we started with that, let's go for another Normcore. This is the gravity distributor. I already have one of these for my Breville. Here she is. This is for Breville. And I bought the same thing for the other setup, 58 mil setup. Yep, identical. Very nice. It goes. I love this thing. I'm literally hooked onto these gravity levelers. I don't like using other types of levelers anymore. These feels just right home. Just feels home. I love it. This puppy it's a titanium coated gravity leveler, just like my other one. And this cost me 45 bucks. Those of you curious. It's 58.5 millimeter, which is perfect. Pretty much covers wall to wall the whole portafilter. All right, what's this? Oh, this is so cool. This is a brand name Knodos and magnetic dosing funnel. I just love their logo. And here she is. Oh wow. This is the dosing funnel. It's on the thicker side. Has 8 magnets. Of course, again, 58 millimeter. And comes with stainless steel, black color, puck screen. Pretty cool. And this thing costs, I think, $29, if I remember correctly. Yep. 58 millimeter magnetic espresso dosing funnel and puck screen. Very cool. I didn't want to get the Normcore. I just like that logo and the style. And I bought this to put water easily onto my Breville. So basically, here, let me just show you guys. You set this up on top of here. Of course, you remove this and pour the water from here, shoots it down. It's made out of silicone, completely healthy, without any residues, nothing. Very cool. I got this for my, this is like 10 bucks. I got it for my Breville. All right, and here's a little present for my mom's espresso machine. It's from a company named Paracity Espresso Coffee Cup. These are so cool. Check this out. Oh wow, they're even prettier in person. Look at these, you guys. It has, again, that wood color, kind of like a protector against the heat, you know. What do you call that? They have it at Starbucks and stuff. But anyway, this is not removable. Sleeve, yeah, cup sleeve. Anyway, the kind of hold on here. Very nice set. And they're both in great condition. Wow. I really like this. Huh. They have two different wood grain. They're not identical, which is even cooler. I love it. Huh. These are very, very cool. Impressed. All right, perfect. Let's put these away quickly. All right. What's next? Oh, yeah, I bought a Maestri House S1G. I got this coffee scale for that other machine for that 58 mil. I think this should be silver or white color. I have a similar scale for my Breville, and this is a really good brand. I highly recommend it. Oh yeah, it's a gray or white, we'll see. It's Type-C, rechargeable. Check this out. Oh wow. Wow, this is beautiful. Huh. And this is how it goes. And here's the turn on and off button. And here's the charging port. Very cool, you guys. I like how the numbers light up. Oh, it's fully charged. Yep. And this little puppy was, I think, 30 bucks, 35 bucks, something like that. So that's the scale for that machine. Again, these are espresso cups. I got it for my Breville. These are super cool. Stainless steel. Check these out. Ha! Love it. Look at this, you guys. It's like tiny little, completely metal. And they're super affordable. It's 304 stainless steel. Very cool. And comes in two. And these are like under $10, you guys. Believe it or not. I mean, there's nothing special to it. It's just a small, tiny espresso cup. You can have it on your deck, I don't know, at your garage, wherever. Outdoors while you're watering your plants. You got your espresso cup. You can't break these things. Huh, love it. It has a weird name. Just 4-ounce espresso cups. It's like a Z something name. And this is the last thing we have today. It's a Normcore spring-loaded tamper. Yes, another Normcore. And this cost me $49, I think, 49 or 45. Again, titanium, flat base. Check this out. Comes with a little cover. And here's the trick on this. Just gonna do it here. Oop. I don't know if you heard that. Oop, let me do it again. That's the trick. Sound feedback and everything. Beautiful. Again, the color of the wood matching everything else. All right, you guys. That's all I have for today. And keep an eye on my channel. Please like and subscribe. Drop me a comment. I really enjoy answering comments, trying to help you guys as much as I can. Again, if you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day. Happy brewing.